How to upload your photos in Google Drive. Hi guys, in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide how you can easily upload your photos in the Google Drive. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to upload your photos on Google Drive, first of all open your Google Drive. And here you have to create a new folder. And write the name of the folder and click on create. After that open the folder and now click on this new plus icon and click on upload. And from here you can select the image that you want to upload. For example, I select these 2 images or 3 images and click on continue. And you can see these images are being uploaded. After that go back and open your folder, and here you can see I have successfully uploaded my 3 images to my Google Drive. So guys, in this way you can upload or save your images to your Google Drive very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.